Welcome to our channel. Live Photos is an Apple feature for capturing moments with movement and sound, but when using Safari or sharing online, it's important to be aware of privacy concerns. Here's how to use Live Photos safely. Step 1. Understand that Live Photos contain more information than regular photos, including a few seconds of video and audio before and after the shot. Step 2. When uploading live photos to websites through Safari, be aware that some sites may convert them to regular photos, while others may preserve the live photo format. Step 3. To view your live photos, open the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad and look for the Live label in the top left corner of the photo. Step 4. Before sharing a live photo online, consider whether you want to share the full live photo or just a still image. Step 5. To share only a still image, open the live photo in the Photos app, tap Edit, and then tap the live photo icon to turn it off. This converts it to a regular photo. Step 6. Save the edited photo as a new version by tapping Done. Step 7. When uploading images through Safari to social media or other websites, check if there's an option to upload as a still image instead of a live photo. Step 8. Be cautious about location data embedded in photos. Before sharing, go to Settings Privacy Location Services Camera and select Never or While Using to control location tagging. Step 9. To remove metadata from photos before uploading through Safari, use a third-party app or take a screenshot of the photo, which creates a new image without the original metadata. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.